Mitrom and Bandhuvam, welcome to South Asia Maps, your intellectual Kshatriyas channel, an education channel. Mitrom, today we are continuing our fascinating series on RayalaSeema, the historical region of Deccan that is in Andhra Pradesh today. And you are aware that we have been going through this RayalaSeema series, the land of Sangama emperors, Salva emperors, Tuluvas, Aravidus, which was once ruled by Rajarshi Krishna Devaraya, who passed away around about 1530 AD. And so far we have finished 28 presentations. Today it is 29 presentation, that is Idupulapaya Basin, or a valley, a sheltered valley. This is a microgeographic region or physiographic region of Andhra Pradesh, that is Idupulapaya Basin. After this presentation, you will get a great clarity about this region, and we'll be talking about geographical regions. I have already covered around about 23 or so a bigger macro physiographic geographic regions of Rayalaseema. You can look it in appropriate the playlist of my YouTube channel. We look at Kadapa Basin, the surrounding Pulivendula Basin, Vempalli Basin, Palakonda Range, Gandi Gorge. That is different from Gandi Kota Fort and Gorge, Vempalli Pass, Mussukota Ranges, Chakrayapeta. This is spelling mistakes here, and Rayalaseema Upland. This is the Idupulapaya Basin. Your landmarks for this are Kadapa town and Pinakini River, Penna River, and this is the Pulivendula town. Pulivendula town, Kadapa town, this is the Idupulapaya basin. And I will show you different topographic presentations. You will get a very good clarity. This is the Idupulapaya basin. This is the Papagni River, a tributary of Penna River or Pinakini River. And this is the Kadapa Basin. This is the Pulivendula Basin, that is a sub-part of Kadapa Basin, essentially a middle Pennar Basin or catchment area. And this is the Sesachalam Mountains. And this is the gorge, Gandi Gorge or Vempalli Pass. Muchukota mountains will be here, Chakrayapeta Basin is here, and these are the Rayalaseema upland regions, especially the Rayalaseema Plateau. The Peneplain will be somewhere nearby. So that is, we are talking about the Idupulapaya Basin or sheltered valley of Rayalaseema region. Mithram and Bandhuvam, if you are new to my presentations, I have posted a lot of immaculately made presentations at my YouTube channel, South Asia Maps. As of 2023, November 11, 13, we have more than 460 videos. For your clarity or interest, I have organized them into 30 or 35 or so playlists, variety of topics. You can find the topic of your interest. That is South Asia Maps Reddy YouTube channel. Excuse me. This is a sheltered valley. Sheltered valley means the valley that is sheltered by the mountains. And this is the Kadapa Basin. This is the Kadapa town, Pulivendula town, Kadapa Basin. Pulivendula Basin is a sub-basin of Kadapa. This is Sesachalam Mountains. Papagni River cuts the Sesachalam Mountains. On the right side of the Papagni River or east side, there is a Idupulapaya Basin. There is a Gandi Gorge here. This is in the historic Kadapa district. Whenever I talk about the district, I'll be talking about historical districts, not the bifurcated one of 2020s. Essentially 2000, you can say. It is in the Vempalli Mandalam, that region. The valley average height is 212 meters. Important village is Nannagattipalli. There is also very big the IT related education campus called Rajiv Gandhi University. That campus is around about 238 meters. What does that height means? Always remember Tirupati, the gateway to Tirumala shrine. Tirupati railway station is around about 150 meters. Let's say city like Nellore may be around about 5 to 10 meters, something like that. And Hyderabad the town is 555 meters, so that you can have a clarity. Adjoining mountains will be 800 to 900 meters. Comparison, Tirumala is almost 1 kilometers above the mean sea level. We can say 976 meters. That is where the Sanctum Sanctorum Balaji's temple is present. It hosts this University of Technology. West side is the bigger Kadapa Basin, Vempalli Basin, Pulivendula Basin. Nearby geographical points are this is the Gandi God, just south of it. That is different from Gandi Kota God, that is also Gandi Kota Fort. It was a very big bastion of Vijayanagara emperors. The river Papagni pierces the Sesachalam hills at Gandigad, just few kilometers south of Vempalli town. And west of Sesachalam, here there are Muschukota ranges after Chitravati river. East side is the Palakonda ranges. The basin is around about 55 kilometers from Kadapa and round about 20 or 30 kilometers from Pulivendula town. This is about the micro regions of RayalaSeema. We can go and look at it now. So this is so we are in Kadapa here. We have Vempalli here. This is the Pulivendula here. This is the Idupulapaya basin. This is the sheltered basin this is the Sesachalam mountains. This is the Palakonda range. This is the this is Rajampeta basin or Cheyeru basin. So this is the Idupulapaya basins. If you click here, the height is around about 255 or so. The surrounding mountains will be, some peaks may even go to 800, 900 meters or so. This is the sheltered valley in the Sesachalam mountains. The Vempalli town here, this is the Kadapa basin. And this is the sub-basin of Kadapa, that is a Pulivendula basin. Based upon that, this is the gorge here. Gorge is like when the wind pass or river pass cuts the mountains, that is the gorge, a gash. Essentially a gap region. That is the you can see a different perspective. You can see Vempalli, this is the Idupulapaya. Vempalli, this is the Idupulapaya, this is the Chakrayapeta basin. This is the Sesachalam hills, I am showing a different perspective so that you will get a clarity of it. This is the Papagni River. You can see Idupulapaya Basin. Idupulapaya Basin. The modern times, from the Kadapa town, a new railway line has been built taking advantage of, that's the Kadapa, Vempalli. It is not shown here, but I will show other map, Vempalli. Then it goes to Lakiredipalli, Rayachota, and it goes to Kalikiri. It goes to Pakala and so to Bengal. From it goes eventually to Vellore, you can go to Bangalore. So that the railway track has been built taking advantage of this pass. You can see here, this is the Idupulapaya Basin. Again, you can see this is the Penna River Somasila project. This is the Kadapa town, and this is the Tadipatri town. This is the Produtur here, and this is the Chakrayapeta Basin, and the railway line has been built in taking advantage of this gap or this pass, Gandi Gorge, going through Idupulapaya Basin. This is the Kadapa, you can see. The Raichoti will be here, and it joins Kalikiri will be here, and this goes to eventually to Pakala. From Pakala, it goes to the Katpadi Junction, Chittur Katpadi Junction, and Pala River can eventually go to Jolarpeta and Bangalore. So that's the railway line connects. That the important point is that has taken advantage of, that is the Gandhi Gorge that guards the Idupulapaya Basin. That is the Idupulapaya Basin. So here we are looking at again a different historical perspective. This is the RayalaSeema region. This is the Nalamala Mountains. This is the Velikonda ranges. This is the Sagileru Valley. This is the Nandyala Valley, or also Nandyala Valley, or Kundu River Valley, or Kundu Valley. This is the Pena Valley. So where are we? This is the Chitravat River. That means this part is the Idupulapaya Basin. You can see Idupulapaya Basin there. These are the mountains. The nearby Vempalli town is there. The town Pulivendula will be somewhere here because this is the Kadapa town will be somewhere here. Papagni river is here. This is the Palakonda range. This is the Velikonda. This is the Renigunta basin. This is the Sesachalam. And once the Chitravati river cuts here, that is the Chitravati river, this becomes Muschukota hills, and this is the Erramala range. So we are talking about the small, the mini region. That is the Idupulapaya basin overlooking the Gandi Gorge. That is different from Gandi Kota Fort and Gorge that we look at some other time. Thank you very much, Mitravan Bandhu. This is your presenter, Dr. J. Reddy. And if you like these presentations, I really appreciate you taking the time and to subscribe the channel and bring this information to your friends. And we'll find you in some other series. And if you are interested in the similar series, I have posted a lot of related series on especially geographical regions. That is the Tamil Nadu region. You can see a lot of presentations. You can go and look the British Punjab. I also posted many presentations there, the British Punjab and Punjab series, Kerala series, Maharashtra series, Himachal Pradesh series and Bengal presidency and so on. Thank you very much. We'll see you in other presentation.